Have you ever wondered why you sometimes make decisions that you later regret? Or why organizations make choices that seem less than optimal? The answer might lie in the concepts of bounded rationality and satisficing, two groundbreaking ideas introduced by economist and cognitive psychologist Herbert Simon. Simon was an American economist, political scientist, and cognitive psychologist who made significant contributions to the fields of decision-making, organizational behavior, and artificial intelligence. He is widely recognized for his theory of bounded rationality, which challenged the traditional economic assumption of perfect rationality and provided a more realistic model of how people make decisions in complex and uncertain environments. Perfect rationality represents an idealized state of decision-making, where individuals possess complete knowledge of all available information and options, diligently evaluating all potential outcomes, meticulously weighing the advantages and disadvantages of each choice, and ultimately selecting the option that maximizes their expected utility. Within the realm of perfect rationality, individuals would approach decision-making with a methodical and calculated approach, free from the constraints of human limitations or time pressures. They would essentially be like all-knowing beings, able to foresee all future events and make perfect decisions every time. Simon's theory of bounded rationality challenges the conventional assumption of perfect rationality in decision-making. It recognizes that individuals are constrained by limited information, cognitive abilities, and time pressures, preventing them from always making the optimal choice. Instead, they adopt a satisficing or good enough approach, seeking a solution that is satisfactory rather than perfect. This shift acknowledges the human element in decision-making, injecting practicality into a landscape often portrayed with theoretical perfection. Bounded rationality has been applied to a wide range of fields. In economics, bounded rationality has been used to explain why firms do not always maximize profits. Instead, they often make decisions that are good enough, considering the limited information and time available to them. This approach is particularly relevant in situations where the costs of searching for the optimal solution are high, or where the decision-making process is influenced by factors such as personal preferences or organizational goals. Bounded rationality has also left an indelible mark on the field of psychology, particularly in cognitive psychology. It has shed light on how people make decisions in everyday life, often employing mental shortcuts to simplify complex choices. This theory has also been applied to understand the factors that contribute to decision-making errors and biases. In organizational behavior, bounded rationality has been used to analyze how decision-making structures and processes influence organizational outcomes. It has helped to explain why organizations often make suboptimal decisions due to factors such as communication breakdowns, groupthink, and decision-making fatigue. In artificial intelligence, bounded rationality has been used to develop intelligent systems that can make effective decisions in real-world environments. These systems often use techniques such as machine learning and reinforcement learning to adapt to changing conditions and make decisions based on limited information and time constraints. Bounded rationality has also been a key influence in the development of behavioral economics, which seeks to integrate insights from psychology and other fields into economic models. Behavioral economics recognizes that individuals often make decisions that deviate from the assumptions of traditional economic theory, such as rationality and utility maximization. By incorporating bounded rationality, behavioral economics can provide a more realistic and nuanced understanding of human behavior in economic contexts. While bounded rationality has undeniably reshaped our understanding of decision-making, it has not escaped scrutiny. Critics argue that the theory might oversimplify the complexities of human cognition and decision processes. One common criticism is that bounded rationality tends to underestimate human capacities for learning and adaptation. Another critique revolves around the definition of satisficing. Some argue that the term is vague and subjective, making it difficult to measure and apply consistently across different contexts. The concept of satisficing faces challenges in precisely defining what constitutes a satisfactory solution and how individuals determine when they've achieved it. Additionally, critics raise questions about the scope of bounded rationality, particularly its application in highly specialized or expert domains. The overall impact of Simon's theory of bounded rationality has transformed our understanding of decision-making across a wide range of fields. It has provided a more realistic and empirically grounded framework for understanding how individuals and organizations make choices in complex and uncertain environments. Simon's work has also highlighted the importance of considering cognitive limitations, information constraints, and time pressures in decision-making processes. If you would like to see a more in-depth video about Herbert Simon and his theory of bounded rationality, leave us a comment and let us know. Additionally, if you liked this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.